2021 Nissan Frontier 4-door. Wow. Anyways, what we got done on it. And you know the dreaded Nissan, they've got 4 converters. One all the way on top. Dang. There. And one there. Then secondaries are right there and right there. And why we did it this way, it was true dual into the muffler, but it had 2 resonators on it. We're gonna show them to you guys in a second. So we had to cut those resonators off and install the MAGNAFLOW, part number 12148, right there. Dual in, single out. They work both ways, so it doesn't matter on the MAGNAFLOWs. So just to let you guys know that. Right here, as you guys can see, and then we left the original tailpipe and left the original resonator there. This Nissan came with 1 resonator there, a muffler, and 2 more resonators there. So I'm gonna show them to you guys. Plus 2 secondary cats and 2 primary cats. So imagine how much the restriction was on it and to dampen the noise. So by us just taking these 2 resonators off and replacing the muffler, it opened it up a lot. And there's the tailpipe, it's a 3-inch tailpipe. There's another resonator for some reason. So yeah. Anyways, this is the 2 resonators that were on it in the front that I was telling you guys about that we cut out. And this is the gigantic muffler. Look, it's like 4 feet, 3 feet, 3.5 feet long. Dual in, single out. So we took it off and replaced it. Now it looks a lot better, a lot nicer. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. For who? Please. For good old Jared. Because if you don't hit the notification bell, he's going to be upset. And we don't want Jared upset. Nissan Frontier. Sound decibels? Right at 95. Now imagine if we left those 2 resonators on it, it would have been, you probably would have not even heard it. That's crazy. It's still quiet. It's got a deep tone to it. It's good for a daily. MAGNAFLOWs is good for dailies. But if you want like performance and loud, you want to take off. You want to go different for a deeper tone. MAGNAFLOW is more of a clean tone, just that it shows there's something on it, but nothing crazy. As you guys can hear from the sound of it. Especially with it being 95. What do you guys think of the tone? Let me know in the comments. I like it. It's clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. It's a good sized truck. Not too small, not too big. Just perfect mid-sized truck. I like it. I like the body style on them too. They're clean.